This is Rakesh Raju here. In today's video we will see how to type in different language in a Gmail, as well as to create a presentation or to create a document. For all this we can use multiple languages, so we need not be fluent in the softwares like Baraha or any other software where we have to remember multiple shortcuts. So for this what I will do is I will quickly open my Gmail. So I have my Gmail opened here. So here first step what I will do is I have to set the languages which I can key in. So you can see on the top you can see the settings. I click on settings. You get an option like this. For new Gmail account you will get this type of option. So I click on see all settings. So the first one, so you can see it is the general. So in general the first one is language. So you can see there are multiple options given here, and just see whether this enable input tools is ticked. If it is not ticked, you can just tick on this. So when you tick on this you get different options like this. So I have to select the languages which I can type. You can see automatically English is there, so I come down and I select Hindi. So now you see for Hindi there are multiple options, Hindi. So 4 different options are there. Just see on the left side which are the icons available. One is a pencil, the 2 are keyboard, other one is alphabet. So whichever is the alphabet you have to select that. So I click on this once and I click on the right arrow, so the Hindi comes here. So remember you have to select wherever the alphabet is there. So similar way I scroll down and I select Malayalam. So here also the same thing. When you go for one particular language you can see there are 4 different options, 3 to 4 different options are there. In that, if you find a language or the alphabet script like this, either as I told you can click and do the right arrow button, or you double click, the language comes on this. So you see there are multiple options here. You can go for Kannada, Marathi, Nepali, Oriya, Persian, Portuguese, Punjabi. All the languages are available, even Tamil or any language. So you can see there are a lot more languages which are available in this. So right now I will select for only these. So English by default I will have, then Hindi is there, then Malayalam is there. I click on OK. So I scroll down, I click on save changes. I come back to my inbox. So now I start composing a particular mail. So what I do is I click on the compose button. So to address I will type it later. So I click on subject. So here you can see I select the subject, and here I have to type in a different language. So on the top right you can see there is a keyboard like a button there. So in case if this button is not coming, you can just refresh your browser. So the keyboard comes there. That is only for the people who don't see that particular option. So I click on subject, I click on this down arrow, I select any language. So I click on Hindi, I click here, I want to type Namaskar, so I type it in English, Namaskar. See, so you can see the language has come here, automatically it comes here. So whichever you want you can select from that. So I want the first one, so I click on the first one, right? Okay. So I click down and here I just type कैसे हो bhai. I click on full stop, you get this, right? So this is how we can type Hindi, or in the same place itself if you want to type another language I can do that. So I click on enter, I come here, I select a different language. If I select English and I type hello, how are you, right? Okay, I select another language, I click here, I select Malayalam, and here also I just type Namaskaram. So what is required I just type in that. So now you can see 3 different languages can be typed in a mail. So here you don't have to remember the shortcut keys or something, just you have to just toggle between the languages. So after this I type the email ID of the person whom I want to send the email. I select English from here, sorry for that. I select Okay, so to send this mail I select English from here and I type the email ID of the person. I click on send, right? So this is how I send an email in a different language. So same way, if you want to type a document in a different language, in Google there is a tool called as Google Docs. So I come to the app cluster, I scroll down, you get Docs here, so I click on Docs. So this Docs is similar to your Microsoft Word, so which is a app which can be typed online. So if you want to type anything, you can always use this. This is pretty handy. Wherever you have the internet connection, you will be able to use this. So it is similar to the Microsoft Word. So I click on the blank document. So this is similar to your Word document, as I said. So you can see a page here. So if you want to give a name to this particular document, sir, here, and I type the name. So I'll just type it as file with different languages, right? So I just click somewhere outside, the name is been saved. So there is no save button in this. So whenever you type something, automatically it gets saved, right? Okay, so the first thing what I have to going to do is I type in English. So here also, if you see in the toolbar, you get this input tool options. I click on this down arrow, I select the language English. So I type hello here, right? I click on enter. I come here, I select another language Hindi. I type Namaskar, right? I click on enter. I come here, select another language. I select Malayalam here. I type Namaskaram, right? So this is one way in which we will be able to type different languages in a single document. So you need not install or download any app and do this. This can be done online. So after typing this, if you want to save this document as a Word document, you can always do that. Click on file. You can see there is a download option. I can download it as a Word document. So I click on Microsoft Word. So this get downloaded. So it is asking where I have to download this particular file. So I select desktop and I click on save. If I want to download it as a PDF document, I click on file, download. There's a PDF document format. I click on PDF document. It again asks for me for the location where I have to save it. I select the desktop itself. I click on save. See, now two files I have downloaded. So first I open the PDF file. See, so whatever I typed, it will come as simple as that. I click open this Word document. So in Word also it has come, right? So this is one way in which I'll be able to type a particular document in any of the language if you wish. So similar way, if you want to create a presentation, a PPT or a presentation to your audience or to your students, you will be able to use the same thing. So I close this particular tab. I come to my Gmail. So here I click on this Google App Cluster, this 9 dots here. I scroll down, there is something called as slides. So the slides is again similar to your Microsoft PowerPoint. So I click on slides. So this is again another Google app which can be used online. So I click on blank here. So similar way how a Word document got opened, similar way here you can see a presentation gets opened. So here if you want to add a title, so same way how you do it in your normal PowerPoint. So I can see, I click here, right? So I have to add a title. So here again if you see, you can see there is a input tool option. So once you enable the input tool in either Gmail or Google Docs or any of this app cluster, you will be able to use it everywhere, all the languages which you have selected. So I click on this same way, whichever language you want. I just select the language. If you want to make it bold, if I want to increase the size, right, this can be done. I click on this, I select a different language, right? So I selected Malayalam. So the same thing can be done, right? So this is a way which you can type a presentation by using a different language or your local languages. So here also it's the same way how you have saved a document file. If you want to give a name for this, I just click here. I just give it as sorry, I just forgot to change the language. So I click on, you can, even if you want to save it in a different language, that is also possible, you can save it in that particular way, but I go for the English option. I click here, I type it as PPT because it is a presentation, but when you tell PPT, people will be able to remember it better. PPT with different language. So when I click outside, the file gets saved. So similar way how you have downloaded the particular doc file, same way here also you have download option. It can be downloaded as a PowerPoint presentation. If you want, you can download it as a PDF, again JPEG, all those multiple options are available. So this is the simplest way in which you will be able to type a particular email or create a particular document or create a presentation by using multiple languages. So one thing which you have to remember is the languages which has a script, only those languages are available. Other languages will not be able to do that. So this is a simple video which I hope will be helpful for different people. If you want to watch tutorials on a particular tool, kindly comment below. Also, if you want to watch all the videos on multiple tools available, kindly subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.